How's it going, folks? Welcome to the course of exploring the dark web. So we are going to explore the dark web. Dark web. I will show you the hidden links, and I will also explain to you what is the dark web, everything about the dark web, and also the deep web, because people mistake it as like dark web and deep web are the same. But I'll tell you that dark web is deeper than the deep web because in a certain reason I will explain to you later. So I will also explain to you the history of dark web, how it all started. That will also be included in this course. And after we've done that, we are going to explore the dark web. Me and you, we are going to watch the dark side of the Google and the dark side of those onion links or Tor links, but you probably don't know what I'm talking about right now, but you're about to figure that out later. So let's go right now and dig deep into this, what you call dark web. So three types of web I will explain to you in the next column.